Good morning, students. This is class 6, same chapter. We are going to continue, but the topic is new. Today's our topic is new craft in the city. Before that, we have already covered so many topics of this chapter. We have heard a story that Jaspal and Harpreet. You know the Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibanga, Lothal, all the cities, those who are near the rivers and people are living there, and we saw the so many things we get from there. That is the part of the history, right? Now, same thing that the houses, drains and street. How much developed cities they have in that time, right? So in that way we can say, let us look some of the objects that were made and found in the Harappa city. Harappa cities means cities near the Harappa, from where we get so many things, right? Like I told you, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibanga, so many cities are there near the Harappa. Today we are talking about the most of the cities, right? Most of the things that have been found in the archaeologists are made up of stone, shell and metal. You can see before this, people didn't know how to use metal, shell or stone. But after this site, we get so many things from here, and after this also, people don't know how to use metal, but after some time they know about that. So during this time period, people have the knowledge about the shell, metal. They make the things attractive, decorative and beautiful. Beautifully they decorate themselves also. They use stones, shell and metal, including copper, bronze, gold and silver. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and the vessels. Right? You can see they have so many tools. Before that, early man was used only the tools that is made up of stone, but in this time period they use the tools that is made up of copper, bronze, etc. Right? Gold and silver were used to make ornaments as well as vessels also. They are having different type of utensils, vessels. They are using that, and it has been decorated also. You can see they are having stone weight. Notice how carefully are preciously these weights are shaped. Means they make a proper shape, cube. That can be a small for this less weight. For more weight, they are having the big cubes. These were made up of chert, a kind of stone. These were probably used to weigh precious stones or metals. Right? Means like we are having measurement units, they are also having measurement units, but it is not approved by the government. Nowadays we are having whatever measurement units that is approved by the government, right? Perhaps the most striking finds those of a beads, weights and the blades. Weights already. Now beads. What is the beads? You can see in the picture red color garland, right? So they use the beads that is made up of a beautiful red stone. The stone was cut, shaped and polished. After that Finally, a hole was bored through the center so that the string could be passed. Means, like bead, we are having hole inside that, and so we can put threads inside that, right? Before that, they are also having blades so they can save them. Embroidered clothes, a stone statue of an important man found from the Mohenjo-daro showing him wearing an embroidered garment. You can see in this picture, you can see here this man is wear a cloth that is embroidered. So we can say that in that time people have the knowledge to how to decorate the clothes also. And the Harappas also made up of steel out of stone, sails out of stone. Sorry, the Harappans also made sails out of stone. These are the generally rectangular and usually have an animal curved of them. The Harappans also made pots with a beautiful back designs such as one shown on page number 6. You can see in page number 6, in earlier time people have different type designs on the pot decorated, and they have different shapes also of the pots. Cotton was probably grown at the Mahagar from about 7,000 years ago. Actual pieces of the cloth were found attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper objects at the Mohenjo-daro. You can say we get the cotton clothes, object of the cotton cloth. Near the vessel we get some pieces of the clothes, so we can understand that in that time they have the knowledge to how to make cloth and how to grow cotton also. Hope you people understand the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.